Did you know that a single cup of your car wash water, contaminated with petroleum hydrocarbons, heavy metals, phosphorus and nitrogen, could kill you? What do you think happens if several gallons enters a watercourse every day? I'm Rod Cutler from the Colne Valley Fisheries Consultative, and my talk today is about pollution on the River Colne and how we are managing it. In particular, I'm going to cover some of the software tools that we are using that we hope may also be of use to you. Before I do this, let me give you a brief history about CVFC. CVFC is a membership organisation made up of most of the angling clubs in the Colne Valley, but also individuals and organisations who, like us, are interested in preserving the river for future generations. Our membership's waters consist of about 1,000 acres of lakes and 75 miles of rivers and canals, with several of these watercourses running directly into or in some way linked to the river. The Colne itself also runs in and out of the Grand Union Canal before eventually entering the River Thames. Because of the way all these watercourses are linked, we have found that pollution can enter the main river from any source. The Colne itself rises from a subterranean river in North Minth Park in Hertfordshire and enters the River Thames at Staines. I was doing some research on the history of the Colne and found that among early proposals to link the river to London was one in 1641 by Sir Edward Ford for a navigational canal, the main purpose of which seems to have been the supply of clean water. When you consider how industry, the population explosion, water demand and invasive species have polluted the river, clean water does not spring to mind. In 2016, we embarked on a project to identify pollution in the River Colne by mapping all surface water outfalls, as these were considered to be the most likely source of pollution. The project was named River Outfall Monitoring Project, or ROMP for short. We identified over 180 outfalls from the source of the river down to Uxbridge, with several showing signs of previous pollution, particularly where the river had flowed through towns or highly populated areas. Using the latest Google mapping technology, we recorded these surface water outfalls as coloured icons on an interactive web page. Each icon can be selected to display information about National Grid references, any photographs or pollution history, and who is responsible for each outfall. The map itself is capable of being viewed as a standard map or as a satellite image showing each location in surprising detail. The video you are now viewing shows how easy it is to switch between map and satellite modes, and in this case, zoom in to clearly reveal two manhole covers close to an outfall. Having identified most of the potential pollution sources, it became apparent we needed to know about pollution events as soon as they occur. To do this, we designed additional web-based software modules that can be used on mobile devices and PCs. These modules, specifically designed to record pollution events, were based on our original mapping module. To these, we added other software modules to support data management and communications. This video shows how easy it is to report a pollution incident. Go to the map page on the CVFC website and click the New Report button to show a yellow marker in the center of the page. Using Map Mode, Satellite Mode or Street View, drag the marker to the appropriate location. In this example, the marker is being accurately positioned using Street View. Once positioned, double-click or touch the marker to display the report entry page and complete as many fields as possible. To finish, simply click or touch the Submit Report button. If you want to add one or more photographs, these can be uploaded before the report is submitted or after as part of a report update. Select the file you want to upload and it will be displayed in the center of the page. To upload it, click or touch the Upload Image button. If necessary, this process can be repeated to upload further images. Once uploaded, server software instantly emails the CVFC team, allowing us to decide on the best response. If necessary, we can also create text messages at the server and send them to our team's mobile phones or anyone we need to contact. To date, our membership and members of the public have mapped 20 pollution incidents at 16 locations with this simple-to-use software. We don't just use our software modules to report pollution, we continually reuse them for several applications in much the same way you would use tools in a toolbox. For example, we record river flow monitoring data on an interactive map that also charts the quality of water at different locations. Our imaging modules format photographs to improve download times and record geographical locations. Our communication modules can email and send text as well as managing our data sources. If you think our software modules may be of use to you, please contact us through our website. Thank you for watching our presentation.